turbo 400. We're getting this thing ready for Streetcar Takeover Darlington. He's entered the street racer category. I did a complete rewire on this car, ripped everything out. Chassis, engine management, it's got a Holley Terminator X, Bosch 210 injectors, E85, typical Carolina street car. $395, 5 pounds of boost, lifting at like 5,500, 6,000. So we're gonna carry this up to a little bit more. It looks like the power lays over, but it's also Brody rolled out of the throttle rather than just a quick snap off of it. But that's not a bad start. We're gonna keep tweaking it on wastegate alone and see how high we can get it. Obviously, this thing shouldn't have any problem pushing north of 400, probably 400. My prediction, 430 horsepower on gate alone. And then we start making power pulls and turn it up. So I realized that I've never done like a full overview on the car since I got my hands on it. So like I said before, it's a 5.3 Gen 4 LS, got some head studs in it. We're using like the Hooker log manifold setup here into a 76 millimeter turbo of questionable origin. Brody says it's from Borg with a billet turbo, billet compressor wheel on it. I have gone through and rewired the whole car. It's got Holley Terminator X on it right now. We got rid of the previous engine management system. It's a plethora of low dollar motorsports sensors. Shout out to Brandon Dollar over there. This car's running on E85 turbo 400 with a trans brake. We have onboard air instead of CO2 for the boost control. So he never has to worry about filling up bottles, and he can also fill up tires for when he's at the track. 15-gallon fuel cell, Magna Fuel 4303 pump up underneath the bottom of it. And then inside, this is where I worked my stuff. So all new, fresh harness, nice and loomed. Hurst shifter over here, neutral safety switch, and trans brake. This is kind of like just the real estate. I didn't have a dashboard to really hide anything behind, so I did the best I could here. Motion mount for the Terminator, as well as a motion steering column, because what he had in here before was just a floppy 80s pile of junk. A ARC 8 switch panel up here for all the party buttons. And then all of this in here is the Holley harness. It's been integrated into the, I don't know, the pre-existing crap here. I'm just throwing, at this point, I'm just throwing big words out here that kind of sound good. And the bottom line is, it works, and we're making some stank. Zone. Hell yeah. 411. 411 horsepower. Yo, what's the 411, cuz? too. Guess it likes fuel. Okay, so when I didn't record right before that passed, well, the first couple passes, fuel pressure reference line, I looked down and it was just dangling in the breeze. So we hooked it up that time and it picked up 12 horsepower. So we were tuning it without the boost reference, which now at 5 pounds is the best time for that kind of stuff to happen. So good thing we found it now instead of at 15 or 20 pounds or whatever we're gonna get to today. Simple fix. Whoa, 460. Oh, you did? Oh. I think that one spun on the dyno. Someone threw a banana under the rollers. Oh yeah, there's some. Not bad. Good distance. Who knew bananas would go that far when you throw them through a dyno roller going 120 miles an hour? Ooh, scary. $565. Okay there, big guy? Dropped you. 594. We can say you want 600 today, right?
Hey, I'll look at
Yeah, we're on the way there.
I'll take that.
Woo! Look at that! Yeah! That's how you know we came to party. $612 horsepower to the rear tires from a stock 5.3 with a cam. But not too bad, not too shabby. All right, now we're doing two-step checks and setting the bump. And then we're gonna make a driveway hit. Taking my El Camino for a walk.
All right. Slogan. You're supposed to be on your way here. I'm guessing you're not. I'm guessing you haven't even left yet. You're like, I'm going to leave at 7 o'clock. But I know that's lot. So when you get up and get out of bed around 10 a.m., let me know when your ETA is. You piece of